Hello traders, welcome in our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the declaration of MerryMart as an IPO in this coming June 2020. So we will discuss about different perspective if you are an investor or if you are a trader kasi magkaibang magkaibang pananaw yan no. So whether you should buy or avoid MerryMart no kapag nag-trade na yan sa open market no sa June 2020 no. And of course, 1 week before no na mag-trade yan in the open market no or secondary market, gagawa tayo ulit ng video no, follow-up video para mas latest yung study at mas latest yung analysis natin if there would be a further development, positive man or negative, para at least you will be kept informed ahead of time always, no? Kasi yun naman ang gusto natin na para hindi kayo maipit o di kaya masunog, no? When it comes to IPO investing. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and help me, no? Na maka-reach tayo ng 1,000 subscribers, no? As you can see, we are reaching 936 as of this point in time, no? So help me reach 1,000 subscribers if you think we are giving the value or the informations that you need as a trader or as an investor, kung talaga nakakatulong itong discussion natin at kung marami kayong natututunan, no? Especially kung kumita na kayo with our previous stock discussion. And of course, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng stock request natin, meron tayong ginawa dito no na good for this week. So let's get started no about the IPO ni MerryMart no. So ito yung news no coming from the Business Inquirer no. So SIA Retail Unit to proceed with 1.6 billion IPO no. So ito yung pinaka overview no na itong si Young Tycoon Edgar Sia is poised to be the first company no to proceed with the IPO no during this COVID-19 pandemic. If you remember, early February or March yata or before the COVID-19, they planned to IPO around April or May. Pero na-delay nga dahil meron tinatawag na COVID-19, no? So they will try to trade it on the public market sa June. So the PSE no has approved the 1.6 billion initial public offering ni MerryMart no. So ito yung statement nila no, we are okay to proceed with the MerryMart IPO since MerryMart is in the COVID-19 pandemic resilient non-discretionary basic essential retail category no. So anong category siya? It is like pure gold no, pagkain, essential. So okay lang no, medyo minadali din na i-approve no. So ito naman yung statement ni Mr. Sia no, na we are confident that this MerryMart IPO will provide both the retail and institutional investor an opportunity to be able to invest and spread their portfolio in a resilient sector and also enable them to invest at an early stage of MerryMart planned hyper growth in the coming years no. So let's see kung anong hyper, gaano ba siya ka-hyper no as we tackle the prospectus mamaya no for the investors no. So ito nga, based on the latest timetable proposed to the PSE, MerryMart intends to finalize its IPO price on May 22 and run the retail offering from 27 to June 5, no? Subject to receipt of the permit to sell from the Securities and Exchange Commission. The company planned to list under the ticker name of MM on June 15, no? So MerryMart planned to sell as much as 1.59 billion primary common shares at a maximum price of 1 peso each, with PNB Capital and Investment Corp appointed as a lead writer, issue manager, and book runner. So magaan, no? As you can see, 1.59 billion no outstanding shares at 1 pesos per share, no? So just to give you a short background no about the MM, si MM may tatlong stores yan no, like MM Grocery no. It is a full size no na ang kinakater niya is low to middle income, wherein it is like the stores of Walter Mart no, mga Pure Gold no, yan yung mga kauri niya no, yung o kaya mga Save More no, o kaya hypermarket ni SM. So yun yung mga kauri niya, yun yung mga class nila. The next thing is the MM market no. Ang kinakater naman niya is yung middle to high income no. So mga katulad yan ng mga malls katulad ni Rustans no, talaga medyo pang mayayaman ang datingan. And of course, MM store no na small or mini shop siya, no, na kung tawagin, at it caters general public, no. So ito yung mga katulad ng mga convenience store, no, like mini stop, 7-Eleven, no. So based on our research din, no, na katulad before na they planned, no, na by 2025 they will build 600 branches, no. Tapos dodoblehin nila, no, at around 1,200 branch by year 2030, no. So let's see kung talagang mahihit nila yung mga projected na plano nila, no, to build those stores, no. But this time we will talk about the prospectus of MerryMart, no. So ayan, so as you can see medyo mahaba ito, no, 245, pero kung sanay ka na, hindi natin binabasa to. So may mga binabasa lang tayo na specific na part, no. So kung babasahin mo kasi yan lahat, baka tapos na yung opening ng market, no, nakapag-trade na, hindi mo pa natapos to basahin sa sobrang haba. So may mga part lang tayo na dapat talagang tinitingnan, no. So for example, if you will try to observe, meron yung mga katulad nito, mga projection, hindi ko na masyadong binabasa yung mga projection kasi if you will think about projection, no, ito lang yung lagi kong bottom line, no. Are you as good as Ayala's ba, no? Is your word is good as cash ba? Kasi with Ayala, they have built their brand and reputation na kapag if you try to attend stockholder meeting, no, or ASM, kapag sinabi ng mga Ayala, for example, they will try to hit a net income by the end of 2020, but around like 200 billion, no? By the end of 2020, they over-deliver pa nga eh. Hindi lang 200 billion yung na-hit nila net income, madalas, no, sobra pa, like 250 billion. And it is just not happen on that year lang. Nangyari na yan for the last few decades, no. So, it has already established a reputation, no. Kaya yung mga projection nila is good as cash. So, with that respect, no, so medyo hindi ko na binabasa yan, no, skip na lang yan pagdating sa mga ganyan, no. So, next thing is, babasahin natin, of course, I think yung proceeds, no, kung saan mapupunta yung proceeds ng IPO. Of course, you know that the company undergo to IPO just to raise capital, no, to the public investors, no. So, titingnan natin kung saan ba talaga mapupunta yung mga pera natin para just in case, no, if you are willing to invest with MerryMart, at least alam mo kung saan mapupunta yung pera mo. So, in this case, makikita mo, ito yung mga use of proceeds, no. So, yung total sale ng offer shares will be up to this money, no, or amount. And it is estimated that the next proceed for the sales of the offer shares will be approximately of this kind of amount, no, after deducting the applicable underwriting fees, kasi may mga costs yan, fees and expenses, no. Of course, alam mo naman, mahal ang magpapa-IPO, no. So, ito yung mapupuntahan, no. So, unan, capital expenditures and initial working capital for stores network expansion. So, ito good, ito, wala naman akong problema dyan. Investment in distribution centers, no. Medyo okay din. General corporate purposes. Tingnan natin, no. So, as you can see, malaking chunk ng mapupuntang IPO proceeds is sa expansion, but hindi mo nakita kung magbabayad ba sila ng debt, no. So, medyo kung ako yung tatanungin, medyo ano na to eh, questionable na to eh, no. Kasi isipin mo, yung frutas, they already part of their IPO proceeds napunta sa debt repayment around like 10 to 15%, no. Paki-double check na lang. Maliit lang, no. Pagdating dito, wala silang debt repayment, no. And in fact, no, with regards of Prutas, they have already like 1,000 stores na, 'di ba? Or near approaching 1,000 stores, no, before they IPO'd, no. And of course, they are operating like since year 2000 something pa, no. I forget the exact year, pero matagal na sila sa industry na yun. And yet, may binayad sila, no, for debt repayment, no, partial of the IPO proceeds, which is normal lang yun if it is just 10 to 15%. Maliit na halaga lang yun. Pero kung titingnan mo ito, walang debt repayment, no. So, magtaka ka na, no, kapag ka ganon, hanapin mo na kaagad yung debt repayment, no. So, punta ka dito, no, ano ka, search ka, no, about their debt repayment para at least makita mo. So, ito makikita mo na debt to equity ratio, no, low brainer na nga to, ibig sabihin kahit hindi ka na mag-isip, alam mo na kagad yung sagot, no. Especially if you are my student, no, balikan nyo yung week 3, no? Pinag-usapan natin, advanced fundamental analysis. Ito, hindi ka na dapat nag-iisip nito, no? So, medyo critical to at mapapakamot ka na sa ulo, no? Kapag nakita mo yung DE ratio at 1.4, no? So, kung gusto mong makita yung exact amount niyan, check mo, no? Sa, ito, tingnan natin, na kung magkano yung let's see, para at least meron tayong exact, no? So, ito yung nila, uh, another bad thing, no? Or sabihin natin another disadvantage, no? Kasi liliit yung margin nila, no? Bakit liliit yung margin or yung kikitain? Kasi increase of rent, no? Increase lahat, mga fees, taxes, regulation, policy, service cost, labor cost, no? Inflation, of course, premium, insurance premium, cost of utilities, more likely puro operational cost. So, imagine kapag mataas yung operational cost mo, tapos yung margin mo, low margin ka pa, anong income, no? Or anong kikitain mo, no? Kapag ka nakapagbenta ka, no? So, another loophole yan, no? Ito yung mga medyo questionable, no? So, let's talk about yung total amount nga, no, para at least makita nyo din, no, kung saan ba nanggaling yung 1.4 DE ratio, no. So may pinanggalingan yan eh. So let me show it to you. So ayan, ito. So as you can see, no, yung total debt nila is 150 million, no. And their equity is around 108 million. Dividing it, no, the debt into the equity will yields you like 1.4 DE ratio, no. So ito pa lang dapat na to malinaw na to sa iyo if you are investor kasi may different topic naman ng trading which we will tackle after this one. So if you are an investor, medyo ka na, ingat-ingat ka na, red flag ka na, no? Kapag may mga nakikita kang ganyang bagay-bagay na medyo red flag talaga, no? Or talagang pangit. Now, next thing we will talk about the EPS, no? Or earnings per share kasi mahalagang mahalaga din to, no? As you can see, the earnings per share in percentage, no? 0.0047, no? Medyo napakaliit, no? In terms of EPS, no? So, ano ba yung EPS? Yung kikitain mo sa bawat share, no? Magkano ba yung isang share? Piso. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nag-invest ka ng piso, kikita ka ng around like 0.047 cents, no? So, sobrang liit, no? So, if you are an investor, are your peso, no, is worth of that kind amount ba? It is worth investing ba? So, kung titingnan mo yung demographic, no, kasi may nakita akong plans din nila, no, bandang gitna yun na, let me check, ito pala. If you will try to observe the demographic, no, yung mga existing or mga plano nila to open the stores, no, yung mga blue yan, yung mga open na around like 4, 5, 6, 7, pito lang. Tapos they're planning to open like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no? 12, no? 12, tama ba? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 plus 7, no, it will gives you like around 19 stores lang in total, no? So let's see kasi ito yung projected nila by the third quarter of 2020, no? Ayan, no. Yan yung mga projected nila, no, to open by the third quarter of 2020. Of course, pag tingnan natin, no, if you are an investor, panghawakan mo kung they could deliver that kind of words, no, kung na-deliver nila katulad ni Prutas, 'di ba, sabi ni Prutas, we will hit, no, by 2019, no, 1,000 stores, and they hit, no, so walang naging issue, no. They will try to expand at nakikita mo yung expansion plan nila, no? Inuunti-unti nila yung pandema nila. So wala tayong problema, 'di ba? Ganun lang naman yun eh. If you manage the expectation of your shareholders or your investors, wala kang magiging problema nun. Pero kung may mga delay, even the slightest delay at gagatungan mo pa ng unreasonable reason o kaya mga palusot, patay ka dyan, no? Kaya nga ako, if you will try to observe me, no, when I'm reading on prospectus, hindi ako mahilig sa mga projection kasi it is opinionated no? Nobody, no, even you are the CEO or director, will tell you na yung mga negative sides ng company nila, no? Walang kahit sino man, kahit ako, kung may company ako, I will not disclose to you or become a 100% transparent kasi 'di ba lahat naman tayo gusto naman nating magkaroon ng income, 'di ba? So, expectation mo na yun na they will not disclose any negative, or kung meron man, they will try to pacify those negative loophole, no? Kung tawagin sa mga company nila, no? So, hindi nila talaga sasabihin yan, no? So, observe, no? When it comes to the primary market, or before ma-offer yan sa primary market, kung talagang 'di ba may sinabi dito na ifa-finalize, no, on May 22, no? Obserbahan mo kasi baka mag-decrease pa yung price, no? Pwedeng babaan from piso. At least you can have a discount. But of course, may positive, may negative. You will have a discount, but ang negative factor nun, bakit nila binabaan yung valuation nila, no? So there's something wrong, wala bang demand, no? So magkakaroon ka na naman ng konting investigation na magaganap. Ngayon, after you have already studied, no, pagdating ng May 22, hindi naman nila binawasan, no, yung shares. Pagdating sa primary market, check mo, no, kasi kung sobrang laki ng demand yan, katulad yung kay prutas na magkakaroon ng raffle, no, ng shares, of course makikita mo na talagang in demand si si MM, no. So yan yung mga dapat mong tignan, no. So I hope na banggit ko na lahat when it comes to investing, no. So itong mga iba dito medyo hindi ko na ito nabanggit ko na rin to na by 2025 they are planning to reach like 600 branches, no, and by 2030 they will try to reach 1,200 branch. So I think wala na tayong medyo nakaligtaan dito kasi I do not read all of this, no, kasi even if you are my student, 'di ba? Kilala niyo ako when I try to assign you a task, no, para gumawa ng thesis, 'di ba? Maximum of 2 page lang. Kasi gusto ko concise, no, yung mga reports, no. Hindi yung puro projection, and we need facts, no. So next thing is net income pala, nakalimutan ko yung net income, no. So mahalaga-mahalaga yun, buti naalala ko, no. So net income, let's see, ito. So ayan. So as you can see, yung net income nila by 2017, no, around like 19 or 20 billion, no. Then nag-increase siya by 2018 like 40 billion, no, 40.5 billion. Then pagdating ng 2019, nag-decrease siya, no, like around 28 billion. So let's see, no, kasi medyo fluctuating no, kung makikita mo fluctuating yung galaw, no, pero at least kumikita siya. But of course, ito masakit sa mata kasi ito So yan yung mga for trading perspective naman, no, as you all know, market cap niya is around like 1.6 billion, no, if I'm not mistaken, no. Ayan, 1.59 billion. Magaan siya, no. So again, if you are a trader, wag mong i-expect, no, na magkakaroon ng KPPI like movement na 3-day ceiling play. Please remove that in your mind, no. Kasi kapag ganun yung laging thinking mo, nagiging sugal ang dating mo, no. But of course, you should trade accordingly, no. Kaya nga gagawa tayo ng another video. This is just a head start for you, no, para hindi masyadong mahaba. So, of course, dapat meron kang mga risk management dyan, no? So, wag mong i-expect na magkakaroon ng KPPI like movement. Wag mong i-expect na magsisiling din on the first day katulad ni prutas. Kasi, of course, it has a different scenarios, no? Although, again, sasabihin ko sa iyo, may potential na laro to, no? Depende sa magiging further development by the end of this month, no? On May. Kaya nga gagawa tayo ng video, no, or follow-up video, no, before mag-open to sa secondary market, para at least you will be well informed, you will be aligned, no, sa mga latest happening ng market, no. So as for a trader, please trade conservatively. Kung may pera ka or wala kang pera, mag-ipon ka, no, before it will disclose, para at least kung medyo favorable sa atin yung market, pwede tayo makipaglaro, no. So magaan to, no, as you can see, with 1.60 or 1.59 billion na outstanding shares, no, more likely pwedeng mapaglaruan. Pero of course, manage your risk, manage your expectation, no. Wag mong i-assume na magkakaroon ng KPPI like movement, no, yung mga tipong ganun, kasi there's no harm naman na kung hindi ka makasabay, no, or kung talagang hindi pabor sa'yo yung bias or hindi ka confident to trade, di wag mong i-trade, kasi wala namang mawawala sa'yo kahit magsiling yan. May mawawala sa'yo kapag humabol ka, tapos naipit ka sa taas, tapos hindi ka nakalabas, no? So, katulad yan ng nangyari kay AXLM, at the same time kay Home, di ba? On their first day of IPO, madugong-madugo kagad yung naging market sentiment. So that's it for now. I hope you learned something in this video, no? And I hope this helps you to become prepared and smarter investor and trader. So God bless us all and good night.